thumbnail is a preview of a file when viewed in File Explorer. With this, it may take up large amounts of space on your hard drive, or the thumbnails may eventually be broken, so sometimes it needs to be cleared. So in this short video tutorial, we will show you how to delete thumbnail cache in Windows. As for the first method, search and open Disk Cleanup, select the current hard drive that Windows is installed on, wait for Disk Cleanup to analyze your computer, then opt to remove the thumbnail cache by clicking the check mark, then initiate the Disk Cleanup by clicking OK, and confirm the action to do the file cleanup process. Moreover, you can manually clear up the windows by opening File Explorer, go to the View tab, Show Hidden Files, go to this folder, using the address bar, select all files with the names that begin with thumb cache, then delete the files and confirm the action. After that, you have to empty the recycle bin. So that's how to delete thumbnail cache in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.